Hey beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. So today's tutorial will be on how to draft a perfect sleeve in less than 3 minutes, whether your basic bodice is pattern drafted or you use freehand to cut it. This works perfectly. For the record, I use both pattern drafting, I use freehand method, but I can tell you for the fact that I've never drafted a sleeve on a paper. I don't have that time. Except I'm working with a sleeve that requires a slash and spread method, then this is fine for me. Also, please make sure you watch this video to the end, because there's an important information I left at the end of the video. So we start by drawing our starting line, which is very important, and the next process is to get our cap height. And to get our cap height, we are going to be using the formula your bust divided by 12 plus 1. Your bust divided by 12 plus 1. So we'll be looking at other bust measurements, and how you can approximate them as well. We have bust 38 divided by 12 plus 1, which gives us 4.166. You can either use it like this, or you can approximate it 4.2, like that. Bust 47 is giving us 4.91. You approximate it to 5, because the 9 is greater than 5. Anything more than 5 is 1 if you are a mathematician, right? Bust 45.5 is giving us 4.79. Definitely you have to approximate it to 5. So any big busts at all, make sure your cap height is from 5. I've never used 5.5. I've not tried it, but make sure it's 5, right? So, but for this tutorial, we'll be using bust 38. So we'll go ahead and measure that out and roll it into a straight line. Don't forget to take your sleeve length. I used the random measurement of 11 inches just for this tutorial. I ruled that out as well. So the next measurement we'll be needing is our chest line measurement. So the chest line measurement I'm working with is 8 inches. So you place the 8 inches on the cap height line. Then you connect it to the starting point line. Then that line, you're going to divide it into 2 and mark it out. We know the shape of a sleeve is always like an S shape. So it's a curve and another curve. So we are dividing it into 2. The first curve, the second curve. So where the first curve will stop is where we just marked now. So at that point, you go up by ½ inch. So let's try and create the first curve. You connect the first curve. You can either connect it to that point we marked, or you go out by ½ inch like I did in the video. Then you go ahead and do the second curve to meet it at that point, and that is it. Your sleeve is ready. You don't have to go through the stress of the armhole of the front and the armhole of the back is not the same. This works perfectly. I've been using it and it works. So I forgot to mention that what you should fold is a chest line measurement plus 2 inches. That's what you should put on fold. So you can go ahead and cut out. If you're doing a straight sleeve, you can leave it like this. If you need to give your round sleeve a shape, go ahead and impute your round sleeve measurement. So that's it, guys. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to attach a sleeve to a basic bodice, for it to fit perfectly. Those of you that like pleating the excesses, we are going to fix the issue in my next video, so watch out for it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I love you all.